Want to sell anything online with ease? This video reveals the secrets to making online sales a breeze. Learn how to create a successful online business, drive traffic to your website, and convert visitors into paying customers. Whether you're selling digital products, physical goods, or services, this video will show you how to overcome common obstacles and achieve success in the online marketplace. Get ready to take your online sales to the next level and start generating consistent income. Did you know that global e-commerce sales are projected to surpass $8.1 trillion by 2026, nearly doubling in just a few years? The online marketplace is exploding, and there's never been a better time to tap into its potential. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your existing business, mastering the art of selling online can open the door to endless opportunities. Choose a platform that aligns with your product, whether it's Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or social media like TikTok and Instagram. Optimize your product listings with high-quality images and compelling descriptions that focus on the benefits. Engage your audience through social media marketing, using posts, stories, and reels to connect with potential buyers. Platforms like TikTok Trends and Instagram collaborations can be game changers for visibility and sales. Build trust with reviews by showcasing testimonials from happy customers to establish credibility. Master SEO to improve visibility by incorporating relevant keywords into your product titles and descriptions. Provide stellar customer support to turn one-time buyers into loyal fans by responding promptly and offering clear return policies. Experiment with ads, starting with a modest budget, to discover what resonates with your target audience on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Boost your reach even further with affiliate marketing, enlisting others to promote your products for a commission and creating a win-win opportunity. The e-commerce boom is here, and your chance to shine is now. Let's take the first step towards selling anything online with ease. In today's fast-paced digital world, selling online isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Whether you're offering physical products, digital services, or creative solutions, the internet provides an unmatched opportunity to reach customers anywhere, anytime. But with so many platforms, tools, and strategies available, how do you cut through the noise and make selling effortless? This guide is your roadmap to mastering the art of online sales. From choosing the perfect platform to optimizing your listings and engaging your audience, you'll discover actionable insights and proven tips that simplify the process and help you achieve your goals. Selling online doesn't have to be complicated. Let's break it down and make success within your reach. Selling online is an incredible opportunity, but it doesn't come without its challenges. Many people dive into e-commerce with great products or ideas, only to encounter hurdles that can feel overwhelming. Understanding these common obstacles is the first step toward overcoming them and achieving success. Competition is one of the biggest challenges. With millions of sellers vying for attention, standing out in a crowded marketplace can be daunting. Buyers have countless options, so capturing their interest requires strategic positioning, compelling offers, and a strong value proposition. Marketing can also be tricky, especially for those new to online sales. Knowing how to effectively promote your products, reach the right audience, and get noticed among the noise often feels like a mystery. Social media algorithms, paid advertising, and content creation all demand time and expertise. Technical issues add another layer of difficulty. From setting up an online store to managing payment gateways and shipping logistics, the learning curve can be steep. Even small glitches, like slow website loading times or unclear checkout processes, can lead to lost sales and frustrated customers. But here's the good news: these challenges are not insurmountable. With the right tools, strategies, and guidance, you can turn these obstacles into opportunities. By the end of this guide, you'll have the insights you need to sell anything online with confidence and ease. Let's get started. While challenges like competition, marketing, and technical issues are real, they're far from unbeatable. With the right strategies and tools, you can streamline the online selling process and thrive in any market. E-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy are your foundation. These platforms provide user-friendly tools to set up and manage your store, even if you're not tech-savvy. They handle essential features like payment processing, inventory management, and mobile-friendly design, so you can focus on selling. Marketing techniques like social media advertising and email campaigns are game changers. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook allow you to showcase products through eye-catching visuals and viral content. Paid ads let you target specific audiences, while email newsletters help nurture customer relationships and encourage repeat purchases. Search engine optimization is another powerful tool. Optimizing product descriptions, titles, and blog content with relevant keywords ensures your store appears in search results when customers are looking for what you offer. Combine this with content marketing, such as tutorials, reviews, or behind-the-scenes videos, to establish authority and trust. Customer engagement tools can turn visitors into loyal buyers. Chatbots, live chat support, and personalized email responses make it easy to assist shoppers quickly and build rapport. Loyalty programs, discounts, and exclusive offers keep customers coming back while creating a sense of value. By leveraging these strategies and tools, you can turn the complexities of online selling into an efficient, rewarding process. Start simple, build momentum, and watch your online business grow with ease. Want to know the ultimate game changer for online sales? It's all about leveraging the power of storytelling. Storytelling isn't just a creative buzzword, it's a proven method that connects with customers on an emotional level, builds trust, and makes your products irresistible. People don't just buy products, they buy solutions, feelings, and experiences. Instead of focusing solely on features, craft a compelling story around your product. Show how it solves a problem, transforms a situation, or fits into the lifestyle your audience aspires to. For example, if you're selling eco-friendly water bottles, don't just talk about the materials. Share the journey of how it helps reduce plastic waste and protects the environment, or showcase a customer who used it to stay hydrated during an epic adventure. Pair this narrative with visuals, videos, testimonials, and before and after images, to make it relatable and impactful. Storytelling works seamlessly across platforms. On TikTok and Instagram, short-form videos with emotional hooks can go viral. On YouTube or your website, longer stories create deeper connections. When paired with a call to action, this method doesn't just sell, it builds a brand customers trust and love. This simple yet powerful shift in your sales strategy can dramatically enhance your online success. Turn your products into stories, and watch how effortlessly you can sell anything. Selling online has never been simpler. With the right strategies and tools, you can turn any product or service into a success. Whether you're just starting out or scaling an existing business, this guide has you covered. Choose a platform that aligns with your product, whether it's Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or even social media like TikTok and Instagram. Optimize your product listings by using clear, high-quality images and persuasive descriptions that highlight benefits instead of just features. Leverage the power of social media marketing by engaging your audience with posts, stories, reels, and ads. TikTok trends and Instagram collaborations can work wonders for your sales. Build trust with reviews by encouraging satisfied customers to leave testimonials and displaying them prominently to boost credibility. Master SEO by incorporating relevant keywords into your product descriptions, titles, and tags to improve visibility. Provide excellent customer support with prompt responses and a clear return policy to turn first-time buyers into loyal customers. Experiment with ads by starting with a low budget and testing campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to find what resonates with your audience. For an extra edge, use affiliate marketing to have others promote your products for a commission, creating a win-win situation for everyone involved. Are you ready to conquer the online selling world? Let's make it happen. Now that you've got this powerful tip in your arsenal, I want to hear from you. Have you used storytelling in your own sales strategy? How has it worked for you, and what results have you seen? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know what's been working for you. And if you found this tip helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on online selling tips and strategies. I've got plenty more insights coming your way to help you elevate your online business and succeed in the digital marketplace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more valuable content. Let's grow together.